Simple. The first one, we ask the respondent about their demographic factors. Very good. So the first step is actually asking about the demographic. What kind of demographic factors you want to ask? The first one will be gender, right? As easy as that. Gender. Gender will be multiple choice. And then you put here Malay and also female. Correct or not? Because my computer got AI, then it will be producing the another one automatically. And then I click this required. Can you see the required button here? You click this required. So that's mean the respondent must answer this question. If they do not answer this question, they cannot move to the next question. Is that good? That's good. So that no missing values. Then you proceed to the second question. You see this button, plus button, you add question. So you add another question. What kind of question that you want to add? Age. Very good. You write here age. But your age must be short answer, right? Automatically, the computer identify it already, short answer. Or you can choose it. You want a short answer. But remember, you can set this one by validation. Can you see? Number is number. So you can click here as required. And then you can click here to click the description. So that people know what kind of age that you are talking about. You can put something like this. Please state your age in years. Otherwise, they will state their age in month. Even you state in years also, sometimes they not put their age in years. They put their years of birth. You know? So therefore, you might want to have the example. 34. Without you can even put some instruction without any years notation. Because sometimes this is the drawback of using the free version lah, because the Google is free. After age is what? After age is race, right? Race. What is race I'm talking about? I'm talking about different races in this country. The first one is Malay. The second one is Chinese. The next one will be Indian. And then the next one will be others. Okay. And then I make this one also required. And then I'm going to click add another question. Income. Wow, income is very good. Income is one of the idea. Required. I'm clicking this button for description and also response validation. I'm going to describe. Please state your income in ringgit Malaysia. So, give the example. Example, 3,400. Something like that. State your income in ringgit Malaysia per month. Income per month. M-O-N-T-H. Number is number. Something like that. So that respondent will only answer this one using number for the income. So far so good.